Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then you need to click on the little plus icon at the bottom of your screen. And then, as you can see, I have no live button. So what should you do in this situation? You need to take a screenshot, then click on the cross icon at the top left. Then go to your profile, then at the top right corner click on the three lines button, here it is, and then settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and find report a problem option, here it is. Then you need to click on the live option and then hosting live. Then you need to find other hosting live issues, here it is. And then in this interface you need to click on the no button under is your problem resolved, here it is, and then need more help. In this interface you will see this chat. All you need to do is to type report a problem and then send this message. After that you will see this message. You need to click on the submit a ticket. After that, in this interface you need to describe your problem, for example, hello, I can't go live, please help me. And then you need to add your screenshot by clicking on little image button. And then you need to click on the submit button. After that, TikTok support will receive your message for a few hours or maybe few days, and then your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.